like to modify things? Do you like to take the things you love and make them even better? Well, you came to the right place. Because here at Pimp My Grill, we are the industry leaders of aftermarket mods and accessories for your barbecue. So whether you're looking for more prep space, a more ergonomic setup, or the ultimate grilling mod, then the tactical stainless folding front shelf is your next must-have accessory for the RecTeq Deck Boss 590. Trust me, once you install it, you'll never know how you grilled without it. First things first, this shelf isn't just an upgrade, it's a game changer. It's not only larger than the stock shelf, giving you way more space to prep and organize, but it also sits an impressive 4 inches higher. That extra height makes accessing your grill easier than ever, reducing strain and giving you more ergonomic comfort during those epic grilling sessions. As with all our tactical stainless front shelves, this one is made from high-quality, heavy-duty 304 stainless steel. It's built to withstand anything your grill can throw at it, whether it's heavy tools, hot trays, or years of outdoor cooking. And yes, it's proudly American-made, so you can trust the craftsmanship and durability. Now let's talk customization. This shelf is what we call tactical. You can accessorize it to fit your grilling style. Add our tool holder for keeping utensils within arm's reach, a storage tray with a built-in beer cup holder, or our paper towel butcher paper holder with an easy tear feature. Whatever you need, we've got you covered. Installing this shelf is a breeze. It bolts onto the existing front shelf mounting points. No cutting, no drilling, and no hassle. You'll have it ready to go in just a few minutes with all the necessary hardware included in the box. It's as easy as it gets. At Pimp My Grill, we are committed to bringing as many different mods to as many different makes and models as possible. If you want to speed things up, the best thing you can do is share this video. The faster we get the word out about Pimp My Grill, the faster we can bring new and innovative products to you. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.